Okay, so today I'm going to be doing something that I have not done in a while. I am going to go through my stuff. You gotta have so much stuff, and when I say so much stuff, I mean like my closet. I'll show it to you guys in a minute. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna get rid of a lot of my stuff because in addition to my side of the dresser being full, my side of the closet being full, I have like two suit 3 suitcases of stuff that just kind of is there. So I'm gonna go through some stuff and get rid of some stuff. Yeah. In my closet, as you can see, I have sweats hanging on my door. Don't judge my life, guys. This is our closet. My husband and I share a closet, which kind of sucks. I'm not gonna pretend it sucks. So here's my side. My little man in there. Here's my side of the closet. And over in that far back corner, there's also a suitcase full of stuff. Let me get a step back. Kai, open the door. So I'm going to go through half of this. Okay, all of it. I'm just going to get a trash bag and I'm going to get rid of some things because there's so much in there I haven't worn any. Of course, I want to save some things like my maternity clothes because eventually I'm going to have more kids and it's difficult to find clothes for me. But it's just some stuff I haven't even touched, y'all. Some stuff still got tags on it. It's crazy. So I'm just gonna make big bags of stuff to get rid of, and then I'm gonna take it to the Goodwill or something like that and give it away. Unless it's some stuff that I think someone in my family could wear, like my little sister. A lot of my skinny clothes she could fit. And like I said, a lot of my skinny clothes still got tags on them because I hadn't worn them. So, Kai, put that diaper down. They're ripping the diaper up. My kid. So, yeah. Let's get rid of some stuff. Okay, guys. So, as I mentioned before, I'm going to be cleaning out my closet. Or at least trying to get as much stuff out of it as I can. Like I said, I still have some stuff with some tags and things on them. I'm going to put those to the side for like my little sister. And yeah, I'm just going to try to get as much of it done as I can. I am wearing my sports bra and my workout tights. Do not judge my life, guys, because if you guys know anything about me, you know from what you've seen on my channel, I'm not going to sugarcoat what I look like. This is what I look like. This is my mom bod. I'm happy with my mom bod because my mom bod produced this little person sitting over here. And I'm working to get my mom bod back together. I'm not going too fast. I'm not going super slow, but it's happening, okay? So don't judge my life. All right, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead, get into the closet, and start getting some stuff done. Okay, guys, so there is kind of like a method to the madness of how I'm getting rid of stuff. So basically, it's if I haven't worn it in a really long time, or if I've never worn it. Because, like I said, there's stuff that has tags on it. I've never worn it anywhere. So that stuff is for sure going away. The some of the stuff that's a little bit younger, I guess you could say, I'm giving to my baby sister. I'm trying to see if she wants some of the stuff. She usually comes in and raids my closet and takes stuff anyway, because I literally do not wear most of my clothes. That's why you see me most of the time I'm in workout gear. I only wear clothes if I have to. I prefer to be comfortable, pretty much. So there's a lot of stuff I have that I've just not worn. So I'm going to try to give it to her if she wants it. Like I said, it's new, so why not? And then the other stuff that I just have not worn, or it's been a long time since I've worn it, that stuff I'm going to put in the giveaway pile. So I have this black bag already going with stuff I'm going to give away. And then I'm going to get another bag together for my little sister of the stuff that she may want. And then I'll just take it down to her. Or I'll just actually video call her, FaceTime her. And see if she wants the stuff, and if she doesn't want it, I'll put it in the giveaway bag. The rest of the stuff, if she does want it, I'll set it to the side for her. So little man is moving around in here, which is why the door was just closed a second ago. Hey, no, you stop that. So I am trying to move as fast as I can, but he's okay. See, he's hugging the back of my legs now. They can't move, y'all. I just can't move. So I'm gonna finish getting some of this stuff taken care of, so that I can get some stuff probably in this drawer. I know I got a suitcase in there. I need to open and look in there and see what's in there, see what I need to get rid of from there. In that suitcase, I'll probably take my maternity clothes and put them in there, because as I said, I'm going to keep my maternity clothes. It was difficult for me to find things that fit, that didn't look awkward on me. So I'm going to keep my maternity, like my maternity pants. I found a couple pairs. They did slide, which I do not like. The maternity pants was slipping off me, and my stomach wasn't super huge when I was pregnant, which was weird to a lot of people. I was like 7-8 months pregnant, barely showing. Well, you could see it, but it wasn't like as big as people thought it would be, I guess. I don't know. So I'm going to keep my maternity clothes, as I said. I'm going to probably put them in that suitcase I'm going to drag out of the closet here in a minute. I'm going to start probably packing down some of my winter stuff as well, because I haven't really worn it either. I wear it sometimes, but it's about to start warming up here pretty soon. Kai, close the door. It's about to start warming up here pretty soon, so I really won't need them. So I'm going to probably pack that stuff down, and then I need to drag out those other 2 suitcases, but I'll do that another time. I'm just going to get rid of the stuff that's in my room right now, make a little space, because my drawers are full. I can barely put anything in them ever. So, yeah, let me get back to it. As you guys could probably guess, I'm trying to pack down, like I said, anything I'm not wearing, but some of the stuff that I'm putting away right now that you're going to see me fold and put into this suitcase here are things that I really wear only on like set for like photo shoots, things like that. I don't wear them every day. I don't wear them on a daily basis. It's not stuff that I wear, because sometimes the stuff is a little more edgy. Sometimes it's, retro. Just not things that I would normally wear. And it's just for the pictures. So you're going to see me throw some of those in there. As you looking behind me, you see my little one getting into everything. And so that's why you keep seeing him walk across the camera and everything else, because he's a mess. He's just tripping back here. He's in play mode. Mom's trying to work. So excuse that. So now you want to say hey? They can't see you. You're too close. You back up? Okay, now wave. Okay, do it now. Good job. There it is. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna get back into putting this stuff away that I have pulled out right now. Then I'm gonna try to organize my closet. Please don't look at my husband's side of the closet. It's always a mess. I try to clean it up sometimes, but after a while, I just gave up on cleaning it up because it's gonna look like that regardless of how much I clean it up. So his side looks crazy most of the time because he just kind of lays his stuff wherever, and it kind of takes over my side. I really prefer to have two separate closets. But whatever. We work with what we got. Cut there. Put it back. He just messing with stuff. No reason. Just because. Let me get back to putting this stuff away, and then I'll come back to end this video. Okay, guys, so now I got the suitcase packed with some of my stuff that I won't be wearing for a while. Now I'm going to try to get my closet somewhat organized. Well, not organized because my side is organized. It's his side that ain't organized. But I'm going to straighten it up a little bit more than it already is. And then I'm going to finish packing down all the stuff that I pulled out of the closet that I'm giving away. And then I'll come back once all that's done. Okay, guys, so I'm going to finish this stuff off camera because it's going to take a while for me to get this organized. I'll come back in a little bit and show you guys what the closet looks like on my side once it's done. Okay, guys, so that's the bag of the stuff that I'm getting rid of so far. I still have to go through the stuff in my closet out there, the big one in the living room, and get the other 2 or 3 suitcases out that have stuff in it as well. But here is my closet right now, on my side at least. I did get everything organized. I put all the dresses down here on this end. As you can see, I have a lot of hangers. I'll step in here so you can see. I have a ton of hangers that I cannot, there's nothing on them, just sitting down here right now. My shoes are lined up there. I do have a rack on the wall behind me as well. Those do have shoes in those boxes, guys. I just don't really wear them that often. And then my portfolio, my pictures, the bag that I take when I travel for my calls and my castings and things like that. So everything is organized in my closet right now. My shoes are lined up down there, so my boots and things like that. I haven't really worn them in a while, but they're down there just in case I need them to. And that suitcase is tucked over here in that corner. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video and seeing me clear out this closet best I can for right now. I did get my drawers cleaned out and organized as well. It just seemed like it'd be more stuff for how much space, you know, is cleared, but I guess not. So I am going to go back and do some things in my front closet because it's got a lot of stuff in it, y'all. I ain't even gonna pretend. I can't even see the floor in that front closet. So thank you guys for tuning into another video. I hope this helps someone get the motivation to get their closet together as I have gotten mine together now, because it took a long time to get this closet together. A long time. So again, thank you guys for watching another video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.